Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Wednesday, October 11. Time is around 7:45 GMT, and we will have a look at the S&P 500 futures on the Oanda platform. So here we are looking at a 4-hour chart, and basically we can still consider two scenarios. A scenario where the wave 4 is in right here as a WXY correction. So then we have our low right here. And then this wave Y played out as an ABC. However, there is still an alternative scenario in which we are doing an extended wave C here, wave C to the downside, deeper into this wave 4 area. And then it would look like a wave A here, wave B up. And then we need 5 waves from here. And so far we have 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the fifth one then still needs to come, of course, but now we are in the wave 4 area. So now, important moment for the S&P 500. I think in order for the wave 4 here to be in, this low needs to hold, of course. If we do not hold, I would expect a fifth wave down right here, impulsive structure down. If we look at the 1 hour, the lower time frame, I think this is now the most important time frame to monitor, and especially how this structure here will end can give us a first indication. So we are in the wave 4 area. So this bearish scenario, bearish in the sense that we are doing a wave C to the downside and that the fifth wave should follow. This bearish scenario is not violated yet, and what we see on the 15 minute is actually so far this rally from here only consists of only consists of 3 waves. Like, this is way too strong, both on the 15 minute as on the 1 hour here to be a wave 5. So I would count this as 1, 2, 3. And so if this is the case, then then actually this can also be an ABC corrective structure. So that's definitely a possibility. So if this is an ABC, then the door is still open to a fifth wave to the downside. And the real test will be when we do the corrective move down right here. So first of all, I would like to see at least one more high, but maybe one more high is not even enough, because this could even be the wave 3 of 3. So it could still be, because it looks so strong, we do not have any divergence yet. So it could still be that we are having something like this, so that the wave 3 starts from here, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as this wave 3. But then actually for the more for the bigger picture structure, we still need a fourth and a fifth wave, like in the 1 hour, I mean. So we need a fourth and a fifth wave more downside, ending with another high here with divergence. That would be an impulse. But so far, what we have now is not an impulse, in my opinion. Is only 3 waves, and so can still be classified as a corrective move up. And if it is a corrective move up, we are still holding the wave 4 area. That could mean that a fifth wave, that we can have a fifth wave down here, taking out this low. So this is what I am looking at. Very interesting times, I think. Yeah, let's see what we get next. So this was my analysis. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work, and I see you tomorrow for another video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.